Get paid $10 every minute fast with your phone for free by affiliate marketing. Yes, this is the topic. Today's topic is oriented to affiliate marketing, and this is really good. You can do it even in your phone. So how much you can get paid? It's get paid $10 every minute. So simply you just follow this video and you can even earn more than $10, and its opportunity is limitless. It's just simply the amount I put here is $10 because it's very easy to reach and very easy to do. And so the site we are looking for in this video, which is called GearBest.com. Yes, this is GearBest.com. You may have it or not. It's similar to Amazon.com, but we are looking for a good way to earn a decent amount of money. So Amazon.com, you also a good opportunity, good websites to earn promoting products. But let me introduce you how good GearBest right now doing. So if we just move on to GearBest, you can see that it has like 100,000 products, and more products are adding up daily. So they are also offering very good discounts, and people are really loving this offer. So this is also already, this is a GearBest is mostly a tech oriented marketplace, tech oriented e-commerce sites that has lots of gadgets. This is the difference, and people's every day loves to buy tech related products in their house, whether there's a home appliance, whether there is a vehicle, whether there is a gadgets, everything. People are very much interested on tech related products, and this is really hot right now. So GearBest is the site that we are looking for, and people who buy tech products already know GearBest, how good they are and how easy it is to buy anything from GearBest. So we are not selling any products here. We are interested in promoting this type of products so that people can get interested and buy these products. So wait, I'm going to show you how we are going to promote it, and that's an easy process, and you just simply follow this video and I'm going to reveal how you can promote it and make a decent amount of money, like $10 for every minute works. So if you scroll down at the bottom, and it will load more and more products, but if you hit the bottom sections, and you can see that they are having other business options here, which is like partnership program. So we are interested in partnership program. So if you click on this partnership program link, it will load this website, this sites, which is like make money with us. So don't just save money, make money with us. Enjoy incredible rewards with a range of generous programs at GearBest. So if you scroll down, you can see that they have an affiliate program sections, and it's time to make money safely and easily with a proven industry leader. So the catch is no fees, no sale targets, just regular commissions with unlimited earning potential. We provide all the tools and continuous supports according to their statement. So this is really cool. No fees, no sales targets. You just simply go there, work as an affiliate and promote their products, and no target. Simply you can attract people to your product and earn a decent amount of money every month. So if you click on start earning right now button, and it will load something like this. So this is the page for affiliates and unlimited earning potentials according to them. This is, you see 50% commissions you can get for each sales of a product. So if a product's like $20, and you can make $10 for selling that product to people. So why not try that? This is the awesome way. This is the difference from other e-commerce sites which are popular, but there the commissions is much more less than GearBest. So 50% commissions for every sale. So simply this is opportunity is limitless, and GearBest products are always really good in price. So for 50% commissions you can make thousands of daily. This is reality. So simply you scroll down and you can see that it's 100% free to join, to start earning with them. And they you can choose from 100,000 hot products that they are listed. And they also saying that if you have a blog or a social media presence, or you have an own site, you can simply monetize your social presence with these affiliate links from GearBest, and you can earn a 50% commissions. And the catch is, earn from all products with 30-day cookie. Yes, they're not just those that you are going to advertise. So if you promote a product's link and somebody clicks on it, and the cookie will stay on their device for 30 days, and within that time, if the user decided to buy it again, the commissions will be yours, obviously. So this is a really good way to earn a decent amount of money and work daily. So how we are going to promote these products? They have lots of tech, and you can see that there are lots of very good, lucrative, eye-catching and interesting products that people will definitely love to buy. So we are going to promote on Gevo.com. Yes, this is a classified sites, and the classified sites are really good to sell tech related products. So if you just click on Gevo.com, and you can simply see that it has a United States location. So people on United States always are interested to tech related products. So if you post classified ads here, you can select any categories, and you can simply select information technology and IT and tech related products categories here, and you can simply post your ads. Then you may require a registrations. That will be a simple process. You simply fill up a simple form and register and post your ads to there. But not one classified ads going to be work here. So we have to work on multiple classified ads daily. So I'm going to show you 6 more classified ads in this video that you have to work daily, and you can easily get $10 every minute of your work. So if these sites are getting lots of traffic daily and opportunity is limitless, you simply go to Gevo.com, post your ads. The second classified ads I'm going to show you is called golocalclassified.com. So golocalclassified.com is also a good site. You simply register and publish your ad for free by clicking this button, and it's also a good website to promote tech related products on the USA. So this is very important. The third website that I want to show is called faster.co.in. So the address is fastr.co.in is also a good site. Just register here, then click on this post listing button and post tech related product in their tech related sections, and you are good to go to promote your tech products. So fourth website that I have to show is called akclassy.com. This is akclassy.com is also a good classified sites, and it's a free classified sites for USA advertisement. So if you click on post free ad, and you will post your ad content from GearBest, just simply get your image, text, title and everything you want. Simply post those ads onto these classified ads. So the fifth classified as sites ad is freead1.net. So this is freead1.net is also a USA based classified sites that is getting really good traffic every day. So simply go to any IT and tech categories and post your free ads there, and you're good to go with that. The In the number 6 the positions, I'm going to show, this is a giganticlist.com. so gigantic list is also a good site to promote classifieds ads. So click on publish your ads. It will require you to register, and you are good to go to post your free ads to giganticlist.com. so simply, the last but not least, I'm going to show you the 7th website, which is freeadstime.org. This is also a good USA based classifieds which have lots of traffic. So go to freeadstime.org and register there and click on post an ad and submit your ad on any cities every day. So there, all the cities are listed here on USA. So pick any cities you like and post your ads. And this is it, guys. You have to work daily. This is not a one-time work. You have to just spend some minutes. 20 to 30 minutes will be enough to post all those 7 websites. You simply go to Jibo and post your ads and move on to Go Local Classified, post your ads, and it will take like 1 or 2 minutes. Like simple, just go to GearBest, pick a product and promote it to all the classified sites daily. So this is just 20 minutes works daily, and you just work for some days and you will see how good it is to get traffic, and the results will be in front of you. So this is a really awesome way to start earning money with this. So if you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. New videos are going to be uploaded daily, so stay with Money Horn. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.